Would you like to know how I went from this to this amazing product? Because Bigen Easy is a permanent color, I did a skin allergy test 48 hours ago, so we're good to go. Because I have sensitive skin, I'm applying protective cream around my hairline. Everything we need is in the box. We're going to mix equal parts of the color and the developer in the tray with the two-way brush provided. Because my stubborn grays are at my hairline, we're going to begin there first. Because my gray is resistant and my hair is natural, I left it in for an additional 10 minutes for a total of 20. I'm ready to shampoo it out now. Thanks to Bigen Easy Color, I feel like myself again. No more grays. It's that easy. You give it a try. Thanks for watching.